I'm back. I survived. I'm lucky. Lucky to be alive. The last guy that was down there, all I found of him was a 3-foot shovel, partially buried in the dirt pile. I found everything. The big spider webs. I could barely make it through. I should have taken oxygen with me. It was horrible. You know, we got to make it so you don't have to go through this with your plumbing. You know, it's unreasonable to ask a man to do that. It really is. I'll let you go, but letting you know that I'm alive. I I made it. Uh, on the porch, showered now. Now I think it's whiskey drinking time. Yeah, yeah, it definitely is. I'll talk to you later. Bye.